honestly thought it was the sour gummy bears. The sour gummy bears are common. Back to my channel. Happy New Year! Happy New Year to everybody. 2021 is finally here. A new year means hopefully a new start for something, because the year we just left behind yesterday was not the greatest, but it's not the latest. But we're not here to talk about all of that sadness. Today I have another box for you guys. Yes, another GoPuff box. Have it here. New. So today I was on GoPuff and just GoPuffing as always, and see this little brown box with the new stamp on them. Like, oh, new box. Okay, yeah, so the notification coming off, y'all, so let me go ahead and go get my box. Hey you guys, so this is the new box. So the name of this box is A Few of Our Favorite Things. So let's just say that this box is all of the best snacks from 2020. And oh, you guys can see my table this time, but let's see. What do you guys see? Ho, 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 ho. Okay. Chips. Okay, I see a few good things in here. So it's like regular snacks. As I say, like these boxes is from the States, so it's like nothing too crazy. And these boxes is like regular snacks, but it's just a bunch of snacks. So if somebody else to go grocery shopping and just get your box of snacks and bring it to you, like that's all it is. There's nothing too special, but let's get right into this box, y'all. So we have a caramel cowtail. I never had one of these. It's chewy caramel with cream and a center, right? I'm a little hungry, so let me try this. Oh, these are like the freaking snacks I eat. So it's like a little brown snack. I'm gonna post a picture up. I'm gonna get a picture. It's those little snacks. They're like a quarter. They're so good. Oh my god. I was off the front one is like, what is this? Oh my gosh, I never had this. These are bomb. Let me eat this and get to the next side. Oh, okay. So we have these little cookie things. How do you pronounce that? Milano. Dark chocolate. So as y'all know, well, some of y'all, I'm really not here for all that chocolate. And then they got the dark chocolate, like, you know. But I have these little cookies in the box. I feel like there's only like 4 in here. But they're good eating. Yes, I haven't had these in a while. So we have some Ritz bites with the cheese. These are, and not the peanut butter ones. We have the ones with the cheese. Yes, I'm so excited. I've had these in mad long. Some Ritz crackers. So let me put this over here next to my candy. them version, y'all. I really, really, really love those. But, okay. Yeah, king size Lucky Charm tree. It would have been lit if it was a Rice Krispie treat, but who am I? But we got Lucky Charms, king size marshmallow ball. Good for breakfast on the go if you don't. Yes! Okay. These are good for breakfast on the go if you haven't had breakfast. You're into cereal. You can have a little cereal, so get you one of these, a breakfast bar on the go. But yes, I don't know, I get excited like, it don't be candy that I don't already eat. But it just be like, what? Anyways, we have the Roaches Grapes Maniacs. The original kind. I usually have like the big box of like, what, 90? I believe it is. I don't know how many it is, but it's the little box of the little 90 ones. The little itty baby ones, but this is the share pack you can share with yourself and thing, right? What? Let me put this under here. Let me put this under here. Whoa, is these the regular ones? Okay. So we have the Hasbro. I don't know. I'm not gonna embarrass myself like I already said. We have these peaches from the gummy bear people. Right, I do like peach candy, but I never tried their brand, so this is gonna be exciting. I honestly thought it was the sour gummy bears. The sour gummy bears are popping. If you haven't tried them, please go get you some, cause it will change your life. Yes. Oh, ooh, right. So we have the Airhead soft filled bites. I always wanted to try these, but I didn't want to like spend my money on it. But I spent my money on it anyway. But it's just a lot. So I'm super excited that we got these bites in here. So I am gonna eat some of these. And I always trying to let y'all know, but who wants to know about myself? Right? So we got a mini bag of some famous Amos chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. So, okay, let me break it down to y'all because I've been trying to front like I never liked chocolate. I never ate chocolate before. Let me tell y'all, I used to body Snickers. Like I really like Snicker bars. Like Snicker bars, Twix, the Swiss rolls, right? Swiss rolls? Yeah, Swiss rolls with the little chocolate and the little cream in the middle. I used to eat those all the time. The little granola bars with the little things in there. So I really used to love chocolate, but I think I ate it so much and now it's just like, I don't need all of that, you know. But oh, speaking of Twix, we have 2 left Twix. So I always wanted to know what was the difference between the right and the left Twix if they look the same. If y'all know what's the difference, please let me know down below in the comments and stuff like that, because honestly, it's the same thing to me. I just think it's just whatever. But we got 2 left Twix in the box, you guys. We have a bag of barbecue Lay's. I could eat Lay's for days. Barbecue Lay's. We got some of those up in here. We got some white cheddar, some Smart Food popcorns up in here. It's a little healthy, you know, a little healthy snack. It's gluten-free, and there's no artificial flavors, or colors, or preservatives, okay? All natural, some popcorn, get you some. Taste the flavor. Okay, then we got some Ruffles, some cheddar and sour cream. Some Ruffles on. So, if any of you guys like Ruffles, really eat Ruffles, I know y'all had the spicy ones. I really like the spicy ones. I don't know, it don't taste like Cheetos or anything, but the Ruffles spicy chips go get you some, but we got the cheddar ones in the box, so we gonna eat these, okay? Guys! My sister! We got some sour Skittles, the share size. Yes, I have to break it down with like size because, you know, you see how we got a mini packet of these cookies, but we got the share size of the Skittles. You know, like you can't share these, it's like my cookies in here, but you can share this with a friend if you really like them, you know. Sour Skittles, but I'll put these in my pocket. Play those later. Yes, they came through with the little candies. We got some sweetest fish. It's not the share size, but it's not a single one. The one with the we got some sweetest fish up in here. There you go. A lot of chocolate up in here. They got grandma's chocolate cookies. These cookies are really, really good. They are soft. You don't need to heat them up, but if you don't like heated up cookies, go ahead, do you, boo, but grandma do it. So yeah, my phone ran out of storage, and I tried to record on my old phone, not knowing that the sound quality was bad. So now you're over here doing a voiceover and all of that. Right now I'm just apologizing and telling y'all I just need to do better, and we only got 3 more snacks to go, so let's get back into the video. I'm gonna try to catch this on time and all of that. So boom, let me figure it out, and here we go. Right now I'm still chatting. I don't know what I'm chatting about, but I think I was talking about these cookies right here before I cut off, the grandma cookies, but I forgot what I was talking about, so we're just gonna get into the M&M peanuts. Yes, the M&M peanuts. I'm looking to check if it's the share size. Yes, and we do have the share size of the M&M peanuts. So, like how you know, you can share with a friend if you want to, if you're feeling generous. So these right here, Sour Punch. The Sour Punch brand. I received the spaghetti sour punch in the last few boxes, the first one I believe, and right here I'm just telling you that I didn't like it. Yep, from the last box I didn't like it, and it's really, really sticky and all of that, and I really didn't like the way it tasted. It tasted funny and all of that, but I tried to eat it, you know, I didn't use the fork, I didn't put it in the bowl, but I'm just letting y'all know, like, we're gonna try these, you know, with Sour Patch, you can't go wrong, so we're gonna give them a try, and whatever, and call it a day. I really don't know what I was saying, but yeah, what else we got, y'all? So, right now, I'm showing y'all these Cheez-Its, the regular ones. I remember this part. So basically I was saying like I'm pretty not into the like regular ones like that, since I found out they had the white cheddar ones. So basically I'm saying like, yeah, they could have put the white cheddar ones in a box, but I didn't want to seem ungrateful. So I'm just like, yeah, we got the regular ones, we're gonna deal with it, we're gonna eat it, so I'll put it to the side. And okay, yeah, so now I'm reading off the top of the box. And then I'm going to pick out the favorite snacks that I like out of this box. So we have the Cheez-Its with the Ritz cheese crackers, the Skittles that I'm currently eating as I'm doing this voiceover. Yes, ma'am. My Welch's grapes. I mean, not the grapes, just the regular snacks. I'm always saying grapes, you know, but y'all know what I mean. Y'all see the packet and whatevs. I ate those last night. So yeah, ain't no more of those. It's over for those. Let's see what else I'm gonna put on top of here. I'm looking. Boom. So I grabbed the Airheads. I'm waiting to try those. I still got those. Haven't gotten to those yet. So I'm very excited for that. I don't know what I just did there.
I don't really know what I'm talking about, but thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and all that good stuff. And just saying hey, welcome to the new people, and welcome back. And all like, was being extra. I'm so mad, but yeah, I'ma go. So at this point, I was giving the snacks away, and I found the Starburst, so I had to come back and tell y'all guys. And I was like, I really didn't want y'all to be mad at me because I forgot this, but we got the Starburst in a pink packet. I really thought it was the old pink Starburst at first, but then you see me reading, and then I'm like, oh, okay, so it's just the original in a pink packet, but it's still pink, so we're gonna deal with it too. So I'm saying that we're gonna get back to the end of the video, and I think I was like, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell and all that good stuff. And oh no, I was talking about the Starburst and then I started dancing, but here we go, back to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm still bad at this voiceover stuff, so don't come for me. I just wanted y'all to have this content, for the new year and all of that. And I'm just being extra, and we out.